Located about 70 kilometers from the land entrance to Khao Sok National Park and about the same distance from Surat Thani city, the Khao Luang Dharma Park is a Buddhist complex with elements built on four mountain peaks. The highest culminates at 300 meters above sea level. We simply had to visit this marvel of Buddhist architecture for ourselves. An impressive ornate archway is marking the entrance to this serene spiritual sanctuary. The Buddhavadi gate, which marks the entrance to the temple, is very photogenic and famous. Many Thais only come to photograph themselves in front of it, but do not get further. The best time to visit this park is definitely at sunrise, when the morning sun throws beautiful and warm sun rays through the entrance gate. The sun rises exactly in line with the arch, giving it a glow of warm colors. However, it is a big complex with incredible view from its peaks. It is one of my favorite temples in Thailand. The view you have from below to its second white city, the third element, is just magical. Standing at the base of Khao Nanai Luang Dharma Park feels grounding in the best possible way. Before you even start climbing, you're already surrounded by mountains, open sky, and that quiet southern Thailand landscape that feels untouched and wide. You can see the staircase rising up the mountain, framed by greenery and the white and golden temple structures above, peeking through the trees. It's peaceful without being dramatic. My girlfriend loved simply walking around the lower area. The space is open, calm, and spiritual in a very natural way. You hear wind, birds, maybe distant voices, but mostly silence. The architecture blends into the mountain rather than competing with it. Before climbing higher, I had to take a moment just to stand there, look up, breathe. The beauty already begins from below. The ascent of the first two elements is quite easy and short, the third harder. But if you, like me, are in good physical condition, don't miss it. Be prepared for a steep uphill walk and stairs to reach the various pagodas. While rewarding, it's a moderate hike. Wear comfortable shoes and bring water, especially if visiting during warmer months. The effort is worth the stunning panoramic views. It is short before you arriving the white city you get the best view. This path to serenity is a challenging journey for body and mind. The journey to the summit is an integral part of the pilgrimage. The steep and demanding walk path is akin to a spiritual practice, requiring the power of mindfulness. However, the reward for the conqueror is pure tranquility and the privilege of paying homage at a height of nearly 300 meters above the ground. Between the third and fourth jetty, this bridge brings you safely across a steep and deep ravine. Located in Panom district of Surat Thani province, this Dharma Park is well known for its hilltop temples and panoramic viewpoints, and the view from above is a truly rare and breathtaking spectacle. This represents an immense project of faith, aiming to construct 7 separate pagodas on isolated peaks, reflecting an unwavering commitment to overcome geographical obstacles. The heat and climbing up 300 meters in around 30 degrees centigrade made me breathe heavily. But reaching this fourth pagoda, sprayed with colorful flowers and lots of small golden stupas, made a deeper impression and got me to realize that the climb was worth it. This shaded, peaceful community surrounded by nature is perfect for those looking for a calming meditation retreat, or like me, just enjoying the nature and hike up to multiple stupas for breathtaking panoramic views of the lush green mountains and valleys. Up here at an altitude of around 300 meters, I found a small refrigerator filled with small sealed jugs of cold water. What a luxury.
Pagoda number 6 and 7, about the same height.
This destination has been dubbed Heaven on Earth and an unseen new chapter of the South. You simply must take the effort to climb all the way up here to experience it yourself.
This is Pagoda 5, number 5. There are 7 altogether.
There is no admission fee at the park. If you go the stairs to the first element, you must go down again to find the way up to the rest of the elements. This climb, however, is physically demanding. The most important and sacred sites contained in the community is Praputa Silavadi, an elevated pagoda built on a 300-meter high peak, created from laterite imported from the Kampengphet province. I was so happy having reached the summit and being able to watch this overwhelming view. The clear sight I had from up here made it possible to see far beyond the province of Surat Thani.
In the distance we can see Pagna province. We're now in Surat Thani.
The solar panels here power the lamps that illuminate the pagodas and cities at night and make this a stunning sight.
Down there we can see rubber trees, caoutchouc trees with leaves colored brown, and the small ones you see over there, green ones, I think that may be pineapple, and behind them palm oil, the green palms.
The inside of the pagoda houses sacred remains of the Buddha, and there is also an ancient Gauyot-style gateway known as Ruttavadi, which makes for excellent photographs during the early hours and when the sun rays burst through the opening. The seventh pagoda also contains a massive bronze bell. You often find that at pagodas built on mountain tops. The sixth pagoda has a pool with a glass tunnel below that collects rainwater in an artificial dam on the summit. Sometime around 1975, some 40 villagers left Chauat district and settled in Kananai, Surat Thani province. The area was at this time under control of the Communist Party. When the Thai government ended its pact with the Communist Party in 1982, temples and schools were opened and the community grew. The villagers, along with a fundraising effort of donations, then began work building that is now known as the Khao Nanai Luang Dharma Park. This name does not refer especially to the park, but to the temple which is built on the peaks and reflect the grandeur of Buddhist architecture on the mountain. I am always impressed by the effort and skill Thai workers have building temples, pagodas and chedis or stupas on mountains. Thailand never stops surprising me. Since 2014, I have been to Thailand 11 times. I don't know if it's the climate, the nature, the food, the people, the mountains, the islands, the beaches, or the sea that has this attraction to me. I think it is a complex of it all together that makes me come back here over and over again. I feel lucky having the possibility to experience this, and I want to share my experiences with you and hope you are watching my videos. If you are new to my channel, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It is all free. Down at the ground level again, I spent some time exploring the lovely little pond with water lilies, as well as the Buddha statue in concrete, surrounded by green foliage. It was all so beautiful. I'm sure I will visit this place again in the future, and then I'll be there short before sunrise on a clear day.